Murata Manufacturing's NFC solutions in medical applications. Are you facing challenges with the improper use of medical devices, medication and treatment records, managing remaining quantities, or validating expiration dates? Murata's NFC tags represent a convenient, off-the-shelf solution. These ultra-small, durable tags can be embedded or over-molded into the smallest of medical products, supporting tracking and tracing throughout the life of the product. Adoption of NFC technology may enable automated product identification and verification that has been difficult with traditional barcode management. This helps support overall efficiencies while assisting with resource management. With its durable design, Murata's NFC tag has been experienced to withstand certain sterilization process and to operate even under harsh cleaning and disinfection conditions. First, we'll show an example of drug management for auto-injectors used in the home healthcare field. An NFC reader writer and antenna has been integrated into the body of the auto-injector, while the NFC tag is embedded into the medication cartridge. Once the medication cartridge is inserted into the auto-injector, the NFC reader writer reads the contents of the NFC tag to support the use of the correct medication cartridge. Along with medication verification, additional information such as expiration date, number of uses, prescription data, etc., can also be encoded on the NFC tag. This supports data accuracy and helps provide management visibility to real-time information. The following video will demonstrate how adapting NFC solutions can be used in the medical field. The medical device includes a built-in NFC reader writer, while the NFC tag is attached to multiple devices used with the medical device. Follow the on-screen instructions to change the pad to an infant's pad. When the pad is attached to the main unit, the NFC tag is used to check that the pad is genuine and the results are displayed on the screen. In addition, device settings can be changed based on the part type and operation parameters. This supports quick part verification while configuring the device settings and can assist in procedural and operational efficiency. Murata also provides support for NFC tag integration and tag performance test under harsh cleaning and disinfection conditions, and has NFC reader writer antenna design support capabilities. Murata's NFC tag offers limited space implementation, embedded over moldable durability and sterilization resistance, supporting individual part identification and assisting with equipment configuration. Murata's NFC tags are applicable to multiple medical devices such as endoscopes, electric scalpels, cutting devices, etc. Please feel free to contact us for product details or consultation regarding adopting NFC into your next project.